A good education is a foundation for a better future. My government has given utmost importance for education. The implementation of national education policy will be completed in all grades by 2027-28, and next 2 years will be used for cluster formation and physical restructuring of the institutions wherever required so as to complete NEP implementation in the state by 2030. In the year 2024-25, NEP 2020 implementation was continued to Balwadiga in foundational stage and grade 9 of secondary stage. Goa is the first state to constitute Goa State School Standards Assessment and Accreditation Authority to ensure that the National Education Policy 2020 is implemented to its fullest potential. The state government has introduced CM Suvidya scheme for upgradation of vibrant infrastructure and development of holistic and productive academic environment. 20 schools have been selected under District Mineral Foundation for setting up all classes as smart classrooms, advanced digital infrastructure and other facilities. 20 other government schools have been selected under corporate school responsibility for setting up of STEM labs. All 87 government high schools and 9 higher secondary schools have been provided with 30 tabs per school pre-load. Vidya Cell conducted 12 orientation training sessions in different batches for more than 800 identified content creators, teachers teaching for class 1 to class 12. Vidya Samiksha Kendra, Goa has implemented several initiatives that have positively impacted students and teachers. Parag, the weekly practice board, has reached 98,861 students from 897 schools, with students achieving an average score of 57%. As a part of automated permanent academic account registry, ID Generation Vidya Samiksha Kendra has prepared dashboard which will help all heads of schools to ascertain the status of APAR ID generation. The state of Goa has selected 25 schools for the Pradhan Mantri School for Rising India scheme. 1,54,914 students from standard 1 to 8 have been covered under midday meal scheme, incurring an expenditure of rupees 20.44 crore in the current financial year up to November 2024. Digital integrated system of holistic teaching and virtual orientations, an initiative of the government of Goa under higher education, was also presented at the European Union Erasmus Plus project meeting. The internationalization of higher education in India held at the University Bilbao, Spain, where it received commendation from European delegates.